Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Hugo Broos has bid farewell to Bafana Bafana and South Africa. After 5 years at the helm of the South African men's national team, Hugo Broos is retiring from football. After joining Bafana Bafana in 2021, taking over from Molefi Ntsiki, Hugo Broos revived the fortunes of Bafana Bafana after failing to qualify for back-to-back African Cup of Nations tournament. And during his tenure, Bafana Bafana managed to qualify for every African Cup of Nations tournament. Even the one in 2023 in Ivory Coast, where Bafana Bafana got a bronze medal. And he was recently in charge of the historic achievement of progressing to the knockout stages of the 2026 FIFA World Cup in USA, Mexico and Canada. There are reports that Hugo Broos was given a 1-year extension on his contract in order to manage Bafana Bafana at the 2027 African Cup of Nations. However, he declined. Here is what Hugo Broos said regarding declining the offer. He said, "My low absence from my family and lonely moments in South Africa have led me to make this difficult decision." Those are the words of Hugo Broos. And Danny Jordan also had this to say regarding Hugo Broos. He said, "I want to thank Hugo Broos. Thank you very much." That's what he said. And Bafana Bafana had this tribute for Hugo Broos. It says, "Thank you, Coach Hugo Broos. A grateful nation salute you. Coach, today you stepped down from your role as head coach of Bafana Bafana. We want to pause and extend our deepest and most heartfelt gratitude for everything you have poured into South African football." That's the tribute from Bafana Bafana. Now let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Hugo Broos stepping down from the national team? Do you think that we will miss him? Because we know the remarkable job that he did as Bafana Bafana head coach. Managing Bafana Bafana in 60 games, winning 26, drawing 22 games and 12 defeats. It's a remarkable record, with a points per game of 1.77. And now SAFA will have to look for a new coach that will manage Bafana Bafana in September for the African Cup of Nations qualifiers. Now let me hear your thoughts. Who do you think is going to be the next Bafana Bafana head coach? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. And in other news, Kaizer Chiefs have completed the signing of highly rated winger Langelihle Phili from Stellenbosch FC on a long-term contract. Kaizer Chiefs have been chasing Langelihle Phili since the start of this transfer window, and after multiple attempts to sign him failed, finally they managed to reach an agreement with Stellenbosch FC in a package that includes Ashley du Preez and Given Msimango moving to Stellenbosch FC alongside a cash payment, because they were quoted a 16 million rand transfer fee for the services of Langelihle Phili. So it seems like Given Msimango and Ashley du Preez alongside a cash payment did the trick for Stellenbosch, and they agreed that fee. And now the move is subject to a medical examination that Langelihle Phili will take after his arrival at Naturena. And Ashley du Preez has already left Gauteng, and he has agreed personal terms with Stellenbosch FC. They may announce his signing anytime now, and Given Msimango is expected to travel to Stellenbosch FC also to conclude his permanent move to Stellenbosch FC. Now let me hear your thoughts. Do you think that Kaizer Chiefs overpaid, given that they have given Stellenbosch FC 2 players and also a cash payment? Or do you think that Langelihle Phili is worth the transfer fee? Let me hear your thoughts down below. And how do you rate this signing by Kaizer Chiefs to sign Langelihle Phili? Are you impressed with this signing? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. That's the end of the news for now. See you next time.